I made a homemade Brazilian cream cheese recipe and I added thick double cream instead of whole milk. Did it work? I potted milk, boiled until the cream started to separate. Turned off the induction hob, potted white wine vinegar, and stir until the light green whey pop up. I strained through a fine sieve. Put the curd, butter, cooking salt, potted thick double cream little by little until the quantity used in the original recipe. And added milk to adjust. I put in the fridge until the following day and tasted. It's tasty, but a bit thick compared with the original recipe. If you want me to make the original one to show the way it is, leave your comment below. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!